As the crowd starts to get behind the local team. There's Kevin Valentini. Advantage being played, so they don't have to be all that adventurous. Yet they can be patient. Before they bother. 5 out. Down the lunging. They try and push it through their hands. Over the top it goes. Joel Assessi. And he has got the lunger in the corner. Did he get it down? Waqa Nalaga. They're claiming the try. This young man starting on the left wing. He missed last week through injury. With the grounding. Fiji Sevens successful in the first game in Madrid as well against New Zealand. That was a good confidence boosting win. Now here's the shot coming from the Melbourne Rebels. They've got advantage. They're getting very close.
Just wait. Time off. Okay, I'm just going to come to you on this. I've just got an on-field decision, no try. I think the number 8 has actually knocked that ball on before he's grounded it.
Okay, we'll just check. Potentially number 9 blue as well, whether he's onside or offside, and potential penalty try.
Yeah, I'll try to see what he does there.
So maybe Frank Lamani is in a bit of
still
trouble here as well.
I just want to see what 9 blue does.
Was he offside?
Just keep rolling these angles, please. I'm trying to see. Yeah, this is our best angle. Slow this right down, please.
Kick there. I need 9. Yeah, 9. Because what we've got is he's offside when he's actually kicked the ball. So it's no, he's offside. So it's going to be a yellow card and a penalty try.
Penalty try to the Melbourne.
Daniela Kapul stay square and that to be able to get that shot.
The inside ball. And up over halfway goes Angelo Smith. Oh, what a carry. Family and friends in the stands here as well.
9.
Here's a kick across now for Andrew Callaway. Clear under the line. Callaway. And the Rebels go. Bang, bang.
Yeah, they're just going back to back. The Rebels outstanding withhold there from Andrew Callaway. Drua defenders were pretty tight in that midfield.
This one trying to come round, and it does. So it is 14 points to 5. Salawa. They rush up on him. Toy Salia can't find a way through. Darren Alagi out the back. Valentini. Rabu Kamanda over the top. And it is track time for Iosefo and the Fijian Drua.
You have to put it down to Isaiah Armstrong and Miller. They're playing in at half-backs. It's not quite as quick as Frank when it gets there, but it's just allowing the Drua forwards to get into their shape nice and early. They're retaining their ball.
There's the angle, and he's got it. Out the back it goes, Strong. Hasn't Gordon thrown the dummy. The armor's out again. Advantage has been played, but they won't need it because it is a try to Josh Cannon. He slams it down, and the Rebels extend the lead. Asala. Wilkin races up and shuts him down. Long game, couple of metres out. Lamani waits. Out the back it goes. And now Masi, he's over. Iosefo Masi.
You're definitely not stopping Iosefo Masi that close to the line.
He's about 10 in from touch. There's the angle, and this one will it come round? Yes, it will. Over it goes, and so it is 19 all in Lautoka.
So they got over to Panasonic Wild Knights where Marika Becky is and former Wallaby coach Robbie Deans, Euro Club, old club, the Wild Knights. Probably missed you, mate.
Second half is underway. Mason Gordon starting, and it's been knocked back. So who's it going to fall for? It's going to fall for the Drua. That's who. Antonio Wonga is there. Good strong run. The tie into the 22. What a run from the big man. Now can they finish it off out wide? Here's Masi. Got a ball away. Dolan Sessi. And what about the start to the second half? Celestino. Ramu Talanda.
So Drua, how good, what a start.
Yes. Flying Fijian coming back from a serious knee injury.
The bloke that was in the commentary box not that long ago as well.
Straight through goes Masi. They stand off him. The bounce is good for Nalaga. Waqa Nalaga. Straight to the Fijian Drua. The young man has got a double.
The bounce pass, the most underrated pass in the game. Everyone stops when the ball goes to ground. But Iosefo Masi, that man again. Offside.
Calaveri. Bumps him up. 6 or 7 metres out the Drua. Calaveri is out wide. He's only a metre out. They're over. It is a try. And it is Frankie Lamani who caught the rugby. He likes it. The crowd likes it. And they hit 40 all of a sudden. Lawrence floats one over to Gordon. He hands it off and it's been charged down. But it's been picked up by Waqa. And the Drua. And it's Fonda. And he runs the Fijian Drua into the second straight quarterfinal. Just their third year. What an incredible outcome.
Is that the knock-on you're talking about, mate?
Yes, that's a clear knock-on. Yeah, I'll just get off
No
there.
try. Knock-on. You're going back down to the scrum.
All at home.
Knock-on is a touch. Go.
The Fijian Drua have done it. They had to win to be in the playoffs. 19 all at half-time. An amazing start to the second half.
Wasn't it tricky on the table in the last 48 hours?
It was very, very tricky indeed, and I think the Crusaders, a lot of teams would have been worried if they had made the 8 because they started to put on some good form. They played well against Moana, but you know that's a good thing. People have criticised 8 teams from a 12-team competition making the playoffs, but in fact it keeps the whole competition alive right down. We still don't know. When I'm talking to you now, the Rebels are now 8th. The Drua, because of the bonus point victory, and because the Drua won 6 games and the Rebels only won 5 games, the Drua are now 7th. So the Drua don't know whether they're playing the Blues or the Hurricanes next week. So it's going to go right down to the wire, as the saying goes. So yeah, very, very tricky, and you know, I feel for the Crusaders. I think the Waratahs had the wooden spoon, but you know they were very unlucky throughout the year. They lost so many close games. So anything can happen, but what I'm pleased about is that the Drua knew today in Lautoka, win, and they are in the playoffs, and that second half was amazing.
What do you think that message was at halftime?
Well,
3 unanswered tries.
Well, it was just a matter of let's start well, you know, the conditions suit us. And we know how the Drua can play when they get the ball in broken play. And when the ball was bobbling around from the restart, fell the Drua's way and they were able to capitalise. So it was a perfect start. But what pleased me was, in the past they've had a winning score and they allow the team to come back into the contest. Today, the Rebels never scored any points in the second half, and I think that might have been the case against the Reds last year when the Drua had to beat them in Suva. In the second half, the Reds struggled to score any points.
You scored 2 tries today. On your second try, you did a celebration. Just show us again that celebration.
Kelere, boy, Kelere.
What does that mean? Can you explain?
Oh, it's I actually produced the Kelere back in 2020 Gold Coast. My team PSM Flame Brothers. Yeah, we came along with that thing of Kelere. Yeah.
Okay, so let me just explain what's happening here. So that's Rambitu, Isaiah Armstrong, and Kemu Valetini. Now these 3 players for the Fijian Drua, they have links to a neighborhood in Lotoka called Top Line, and this is the community, the Top Line family here in Lotoka, doing a Waqa Mamada. Right. So their fathers and their grandfathers have represented Top Line, the Top Line Rugby Club here in Lotoka, and they are being acknowledged. What a wonderful gesture from the family, the community of Top Line in Lotoka. So Isaiah Armstrong, Rapula, Rambitu, and Kemu Valetini all have links to Top Line, the neighborhood in Lotoka, and that's what's happening right now. This ceremony is called right, Waqa Mamala. So this is the Top Line family from Lotoka. What a wonderful gesture. What to acknowledge the players and the link to Top Line in Lotoka. Their fathers, their grandfathers. So this is a famous guy from Lotoka, Bis. Said it's a Fijian ceremony. Naka Bis. Waqa Mamala. So in case if you're just joining us, Isaiah Armstrong Rapula, Rambitu, and Kemu Valetini, their grandfathers and their fathers, very close relations. They've got ties to Top Line in Lotoka. Isaiah Armstrong Rapula, his grandfather, well, I was told briefly, but the grandfather or father have represented Top Line, the neighborhood in Lotoka, and rugby, their rugby club. This is a Top Line family, a Top Line community from Lotoka. Top Line Nakabis. So once again, if you're just joining us live here on the Legend FM Facebook page, so Kemu Valetini, Isaiah Armstrong Rapula, and Rambitu, members of the Swire Shipping Fijian Drua, they have links. Well, their fathers and grandfathers represent the Top Line Rugby, a club, well, a neighborhood here in Lotoka, and this is the Top Line family, the Top Line community, the Top Line Rugby club, the family, just coming and acknowledging there are links to top line with the Waqa Nalaga. That's what it's called. I could be wrong, but I was explained briefly, but that's what it is. If you